everyone, welcome back. आज हम जा रहे हैं लोहड़ी सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. We're having party, yeah. My friend वो same neighborhood में रहती है. She's having a Lohri party, तो हम उनके घर जा रहे हैं आज. It's super cold, windy outside, so I know usually they have like a fire, bonfire outside. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we're gonna have fun. Summit तैयार हो रहा है. Daddy's putting gel in his hair. Look at these guys getting gel and everything, huh? Neem ko? No?
No, Neem doesn't need it.
Neem doesn't need gel? Oh, Goog, you look so cool. I don't even. Oh, wow, look at you. Oh my god. Neem, do you want some gel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want gel.
समित अब बोल रहा है कि मुझे जाना नहीं है. He's at the age बड़ा हो रहा है ना, तो बोलता है I don't want to go. I'm tired. I want to stay home. Oh hey, cool guy. देखिए, he wants to show.
Hi.
Oh, देखिए. See, you look so handsome.
I can see myself.
You look really cool. Don't you want to go to the party now? No.
I want to stay home and watch TV.
Yeah, he wants to stay home and watch TV.
Go show mama.
आजकल के बच्चे पता है ऐसे क्यों करते हैं? जब हम छोटे थे, मम्मी डैडी बोलते थे we're going, चलो, okay, we're going, like we wouldn't argue about it. Oh look!
Is that gel?
Oh look! Look here, मेरा छोटा बबलू. Say happy Lohri. Oh, happy Lohri, everyone. I didn't even wish everybody happy Lohri. Let's check out Daddy. Daddy, hello.
Hello.
मानिक बोल रहे थे कि मुझे दीश के साथ मैच करना है, तो he's wearing green shirt. देखो मेरे साथ मैचिंग. I don't mind. Oh hey guys. Ready to go? Yay!
Nice.
Barku is missing. Barku. वो रहा हमारा Barku.
All right, let's go. Well,
Neem is so upset. Okay guys. Funny thing to ये sorry, funny thing ये है कि हम ready थे, बहुत ही अच्छे से ready हुए थे. We are about to leave the house, and right when we were about to leave the house, the power went out. Power चली गई, and oh, नियम इतना परेशान था, अभी भी रोई जा रहा है. He's so upset because he didn't know what's going on. And so for hours he's been crying, and I just fed them right now. Yeah, so the Lohri party is cancelled. There's no way we can go now. It's pretty late, and yeah, it was so weird because pehle te hamari power chali gayi thi, and then I was looking out the window, and you can see all the lights throughout the city, and धीरे धीरे सबके lights off हो रहे थे. Everybody was losing power slowly, one by one. I could see the houses, all the lights. Last year जब power outage हुआ था ऐसे 3 days के लिए power was out. वो जहाँ मम्मी उन्हें रहते हैं वहाँ पे 3 days के लिए. I don't know how this works. Our power lines are not above ground, so अभी जब power आई थी वापस, Manik was so excited, he started screaming, and like he was just so excited. मैं कह रही थी ज़्यादा खुश मत हो because power can go out anytime. What would you do if you were stranded on a deserted island for 30 days and finally got rescued? ऐसे पहले कि power फिर से चले जाए, I'm gonna go quickly eat something. Let's go, boys.
Okay.
Let's go play in the snow.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Gugu, you ready?
Yeah, just put on my socks and gloves.
चलो.
And put on my jacket.
Boots पहने हैं, okay?
Okay.
Here, look at mama. Fix your topi. Fix your topi.
Your hand.
Niam, look at mama. Fix your topi. It's too big. You ready?
Look at my snowball.
Don't get Niam. It's pretty soft, huh?
Yeah, no. No.
Snow, Nonni, snow. This is Niam's first real snow day, huh? Yeah. Make a snow angel with Dada. No, not me. Oh no, oh no. Ah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what happened to the candy canes? Oh no.
Uh-oh. Use this hook.
He's too big.
Stopping it from sliding away.
Huh?
Let's go this way. No, help me. Okay, I'll go. Help me. Please help me.
Gugu, watch out, watch out. I got a snowball right here. Ah.
I cannot.
Look at Papa. Kal raat storm ke baad I thought everything would go back to normal, लेकिन it snowed overnight. So बच्चों को आज सुबह मैं ले गई थी outside खेलने के लिए snow में, and अभी shovel करके आई हूँ snow off the driveway, क्योंकि अगर pile up हो जाती है and you leave it, it gets really thick and really hard to shovel. अगर tenants नहीं होते हमारे ना तो मैं छोड़ देती, I would leave it. लेकिन tenants है उनके लिए I have to shovel the driveway. आज मैं समित को स्कूल लेके नहीं जा पाई. Tomorrow and day after weather forecast में है more snow, way more snow. So I don't think I will be able to take him. In schools usually bandi हो जाते हैं when the roads are icy, slippery. It's not possible to safely get to school. मैंने bath tub fill कर दिया है और उसके अंदर ये डालूंगी Lush का एक bath bomb. When the water fills up, you just throw it into running water. Water is running. जब ये थोड़ा fill हो जाएगा और मैं bath bomb डाल दूंगी इसके अंदर. This is the bath bomb. ये rocket ship bath bomb है. Summit picked this one. So we're gonna put it into running water and see what happens. Ready, guys? Whoa! It smells so good.
There's some. It's dissolving.
Look at that. It's blue and green.
That's the bottom.
Oh, look. There's a little bit left.
It's turning pink. Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me rinse my hands off. नीम के पीछे देखिए पिंक हो गया ये.
Can I see?
Yeah, it's pink.
Oh, can I get...
You guys just gotta move it around a little bit. Move it with your hands.
Okay, give it to me. I just need to move it.
ये है Honest Company का Honest bubble bath. This is plant-based, hypoallergenic, tear-free. कोई scent नहीं है, मतलब lavender है इसमें, लेकिन कोई ऐसे fake chemicals नहीं है इसमें.
Regular water.
बच्चों के लिए ये अच्छा है. And I thought first कि ज़्यादा bubbles नहीं होगा, लेकिन it's really good. It gets really bubbly. Lavender smells really good, but I think I'm allergic to lavender because every time I use it, मुझे irritation होने लग जाती है skin पे. This is the Dove baby wash. जो मैं जब इनको shower देती हूँ ये use करती हूँ. Tip to toe wash.
Put it to this.
No scent. Very good.
Yeah.
Oh look, you got some on your nose.
And then we don't...
Oh look.
I can do blue.
Oh look, it's Summit. You're gonna get a little beard.
Let me see. There's a little mirror in my...
There is a little mirror. मैंने वहाँ पीछे towel लगा दिए हैं क्योंकि ये splash करते हैं ना. So we get water back there, and I don't want. Last thing you need is mold in the house.
Thank you.
मैंने बहुत कुछ डाले हैं. Like they have boats. They have their cars. Cars ले जाते हैं. These cute little boats, they float and ये attach भी हो जाते हैं to each other. But इनकी favorite things, जो भी करिए, you can buy whatever you want, but their favorite thing is always a container. Always a container, plastic container.
Oh no!
Lighting is super bad here. इससे पहले कि पावर फेयर से चले जाए मैं कैंडल्स गैदर कर लेती हूँ. कैंडल्स, लाइटर, पानी फिल कर लिया है मैंने, just in case. I like to be prepared. I think most of you know by now that I'm a very well prepared person, super cautious. I like to make sure कि everything is set just in case कोई emergency situation हो जाए या कोई ऐसी problem आ जाए. Like I need to make sure I am prepared. So I'm just taking my candles, as many as I can, getting them ready. And पानी भी मैंने fill कर लिया है इसमें I need to fill up this one. We have the fireplace. अगर power चली भी जाती है ये भी on कर लेते हैं, so we get heat. इस जगह में मैंने आटा भी गूंद लिया है परोठे के लिए. मैं अभी बना लेती हूँ just in case of course the power चली जाए. I can make these and have them ready for the बच्चे, क्योंकि अगर food नहीं होता proper so they get very irritated, very upset. हम adults हैं, हम भी बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं, but kids, we can't expect that from kids. So it's better to have everything ready. मेरी family, they all laugh. वो हंसते हैं कि Deesh is so cautious, कितना serious लेती है सब कुछ. She has everything like planned out. But जब ऐसे कुछ होता है, Deesh is ready and सब बोलते हैं, wow, Deesh was ready. I even have some Christmas candles upstairs too. Christmas ones. Finally, मैं use कर पाऊंगी. Actually, I really don't hope we get in that situation where I do have to use them. But ये है मेरी favorite. This is apple pie. It doesn't really smell like apple pie. It smells more like cherries. So good. What you doing, Bablu? Oh wow, Iron Man, huh?
I already done the first page.
Cool. इन्होंने तो bath कर लिया है. Sometimes I feel like sitting in there too, but it's not possible when you have बच्चे and you're home alone with them. Some of you were wondering मैं अपने face पे क्या use करती हूँ exactly, and I'm going to show you right now मैं क्या use करती हूँ. I use the CoverGirl's BB cream, some powder.
Wait, no, not comb.
What is this? Concealer for my under eyes and Nivea की chapstick. This is the best chapstick, cherry flavor. मैं use करती हूँ sometimes, and lipstick as well sometimes. This is my favorite from Sephora. And on my hair, I spray. जब मैं blow dry करती हूँ and before ironing my hair, I use this one. मैं ये भी I tried this one too, but ऐसे hair silky नहीं रहते. It gets kind of greasy. I can't say very, it gets kind of greasy. So my preference is the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Spray. Yes, that's what I use. Oh, and ye wali all-nighter makeup setting spray is so good, especially in the summer. Your makeup will not budge. Get this. And this is the packaging. I got a backup right here. I ordered it online, extra large, long lasting makeup setting spray, all-nighter Urban Decay. You can find this online. Sephora पे जाना, online they have everything you need. Yes, मैं वो products use करती हूँ अपने face पे, but until age 30, 27 to 30, definitely 30, I didn't have to put anything, like मैं face पे कुछ लगाती नहीं थी. And now I do. क्योंकि मेरी skin काफ़ी change हो गई है. With age it changes, right? And I have rosacea, which I've had since I was 21, but now it's just out of control. Doctor ने cream दी थी मुझे, and I put that on for a few months. My rosacea cleared up. My skin was really nice, and I stopped taking it, applying the cream, and it's back. I think I have to start applying the cream again. क्या है ना, मुझे every day for the rest of my life I don't want to be applying that cream, but I also don't like products on my face like makeup and stuff. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना. I would like to just get up in the morning, take a shower, and put my hair in a bun and just get going with my day. मुझे makeup में बिल्कुल शौक नहीं है. I don't like it. अगर आपके पास कोई भी remedy है, natural remedy, whether it's some kind of juice like a detox या कुछ face mask, जो मैं यूज़ कर सकती हूँ to help my skin, please मुझे comments में बताना, because ये जो doctors prescribe करते हैं medications or creams, I don't know why I'm saying medication, it's kind of like a medication, जो भी ये prescribe करते हैं, I don't want to be putting that on my face every day until it clears up. I don't want to do that.
Oopsie.
Oopsie, क्या हुआ?
Nothing.
कुछ करके आया ये, कुछ करके आया ये, क्या करके आया?
Nothing.
Nothing. अब मैं नीचे आ गई हूँ क्योंकि the kids were getting too loud upstairs. My New Year's resolution was to eat healthier, to exercise, and to get back in shape. But it's not working out. They're coming. They're following me downstairs now. It's not working out क्योंकि मैं बच्चे के लिए कुछ जो भी बनाती हूँ left over होता है हमेशा, तो मुझे खाना पड़ता है. I've tried making less food, but फिर ये बोलते हैं कि oh we want more. I don't know. I feel like I can't win. Food फेंकना in the trash bin में मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता ये idea. I hate wasting food. मैं कर नहीं पाती हूँ, you know, like even if it means I have to eat it, I will eat it, but I can't. So I'm trying to figure that out. मेरा एक और resolution है. This is a new one. Few days ago I was thinking that I'm gonna try to get more vlogs out, more videos out, and I want to be myself more in the videos. मतलब usually जब मैं vlog करती हूँ, like first of all it's awkward looking into a camera talking. You won't believe how awkward and difficult it is. I think I'm getting a little bit more used to it, but it's hard to be natural. Like I am usually goofy. मैं goofy इंसान हूँ, मैं इतनी serious नहीं हूँ. Every person has a different side to them, ना? एक side नहीं होता है like ये है मेरा serious side, or this is like my when I'm working calm थोड़ा शांत side. But I'm a goofy person. मैं इतनी serious नहीं हूँ, and I feel like I want to just release myself and be myself more on camera. So let me know what you think about that. Do you want me to be composed, or do you want me to just unleash myself and just be crazy? देखिए समझ ने क्या हो रहा है यहाँ फ्रिज के नीचे मेरे लिए. He knows I hate spiders and I'm so scared of spiders. कितना बदमाश है ये. Spider का sticker छोड़ दिया इसने. Do not do this in the summer when they come here, okay?
I am.
No, Summit, like I will have a heart attack. No joke. मुझे इतना डर लगता है ना spiders से. It probably sounds so weird, so funny, but I am so scared of spiders. मुझे तो ऐसे होने लग जाता है. Just thinking about them, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. And यहाँ भी होते भी है ना बड़े बड़े like big black thick ones. And oh my god, I don't know why we decided to live in a jungle area. Oh my god.
I'm gonna protect the city.
Batman, you're gonna protect the city, or you're gonna protect me?
I'm gonna protect you and the city.
Oh, thank you, Batman.
Okay, bye.
Look at our fridge, Summit का work. जब इसको प्यार आता है ना, I have to tell you guys, ये लिखता है like I love you mom, I love you dad. जब कुछ हो जाता है, कुछ बदमाश बनता है, and then he gets in trouble, he comes, he crosses it off and he writes no. यहाँ लिख दिया डैडी के लिए no dad, no hearts, no love. बदमाश तो ऐसे करता हमारे साथ. Oh, देख, this is to Gugu from Arya. This is from my niece, मेरी भतीजी, my sweet Aru. बहुत sweet है मेरी niece. Both of my nieces. I have 3 nieces actually, all very sweet girls. Oh, जब मैं उनके बारे में सोचती हूँ ना, मुझे भी फिर होने लग जाता है. I want another baby. Oh gosh.
Another baby brother.
Excuse me? क्या चाहिए आपको? Baby brother चाहिए?
Another baby brother.
Oh no.
Yes.
No, I think it's time for Sissy. What are you doing? Look at guys, look at my drawer. It's so like बच्चे आते हैं ना इनमें, and they just throw their stuff in here, random stuff. Every house में होता है like a random drawer, but I feel like all of ours are turning into random drawers. I can't talk.
Oh
See?
my god.
यहाँ भी सब कुछ.
Thrown everywhere.
Thrown everywhere. कौन करता है throwing everywhere? बचाइए सबको. कौन करता है ऐसे? I thought I was being so smart. मुझे लग रहा था कि वो I'm so smart, मैंने चॉकलेट हाइड कर दिए है कबर्ड में, इनको पता नहीं चलेगा. But they knew the whole time that there's chocolate here. But they're good boys. They don't go without me asking me. I think. I'm just showing you guys some random stuff today because
These are random stuff.
हमने कुछ किया नहीं आज all day. We have stayed home. Summit is home too, and we're going crazy. We are going crazy, staying at home. I don't even know. Is it Tuesday today? I don't even know what day it is today. Monday.
Fine, look at
Huh. So we're just going crazy because we've been indoor. And I feel like this whole week we're just gonna get crazier and crazier because हम रहेंगे indoors snow के कारण windstorm के कारण तो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ random things in our house. I don't know if this vlog is gonna make any sense. Samir ने सब कुछ खोल रखा है to show you guys. This is funny. What all you want to show them, hon? You want to show them all this random stuff?
Yeah, and look at this, my toy.
Oh yeah, इसमें इसकी Nerf guns है. Samir बोल रहा है कि मम्मा कैंडल ऑन कर दो. वो उसको बड़ा शौक है कैंडल्स में. Okay, Samir, I'm turning it on. Hello.
Can I blow it out?
Blow it out? I just turned it on. See? Leave it on.
Oh, that one is the biggest.
Oh, look at that.
Can you turn on the blue one?
The blue one? No, let's save that. That's upstairs now. I think we should end the vlog with this candle. Do you want to end the vlog,
Yeah.
Mr. Cutie Pie? What do you say? Bye? With this candle, we're going to close the vlog. Do you want to close it?
What do we close?
He's like, what do you mean close it? चलो, अगर आपको ये vlog अच्छा लगा तो please comment करना, share, subscribe करना. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell so you know every time there's a new video out. And follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box. Thank you guys. We'll see you again soon.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Yes, double thumbs up. One for Summit, one for Mom.
Okay, bye.
Bye guys.